Welcome to Best Useful Tips. In this video, I will show you how to customize at a glance on your Google Pixel 10, 10 Pro, 10 Pro XL, and any other Pixel device running the latest Android 16 version. You can use the at a glance on your Pixel device to quickly access information, your important information from the lock screen and home screen on your device. You can customize at a glance at your own by tap and hold the black space on the home screen, tap the home settings. Here you can find the at a glance option. Just tap on it. Here you can quickly turn it on or off. Whether and information about upcoming event will stop showing on your lock screen and home screen and lock screen. So here you can find the customize option and turn off option. So you can also turn it off at a glance using this setting. So tap on the customize option. Now here you can see how it will work. At a glance show you what you need right when you need it on your home screen and lock screen. So here you can see the list of different personalization settings, sensitive content on the lock screen. So here you can show the all notification related details you share on your lock screen. Personalized usage app data or like weather information, commit, upcoming event you can set to show on the home screen and lock screen. Personalized using Google account data. So it will show the upcoming events, reminders, and travel related any info on your home or lock screen. Use your Google activity. It will use your Google activity for the your accurate weather you leave on your device. So you can see the list of different customization settings. Also at the bottom you can see the weather. If you want to show the weather information, air quality information, several weather alerts, earthquake alert, upcoming calendar, event, hotel reservation, reminder, flight booking, work profile, nearby food and household order, parcel delivery. So you can see the list of different customization settings available for at a glance on a Pixel 10 series like fitness, safety check. So you can use all these important customization setting in at a glance on your Pixel device. Just toggle on or toggle off the option you want to access from the home screen and lock screen on your Google Pixel 10 series. If you don't want to use, just tap on a turn off to turn off the at a glance on your Google Pixel 10 or any other Pixel device. That's it. If you like it, share it. Thank you for watching this.